I want to see your cheeks glow red.
So this Halloween devil look is brought to you by Koils by Nature, and I did a bantu knot set out starting off with the ultra hydrating leave-in conditioner, which is part of the Sage and Lemongrass collection, and I followed that up with the curl defining gel, which is also part of the Sage and Lemongrass collection. And once I thoroughly detangled my hair and added the product in, then I twisted my hair tightly until it starts coiling on itself, and then you just keep twisting and wrapping it around itself to create the bantu knot. It's a super easy style to do, and when you take it down, you have an even better style. Are you guys dressing up for Halloween this year? Leave a comment below if you are. Happy Halloween!